Un attimo che ritogliamo.
Quindi questo è per chi deve trasferire i propri crediti?
Sì, chi ha già un master e può fare una domanda di abbreviazione.
Ok.
Quindi tu dimmi quando sei pronta, che io tolgo l'audio mio.
E quindi io per la prima parte dovrei appunto solamente dire che è solamente per le persone che hanno già ottenuto un master degree.
Sì, e
Ehm,
comunque, e comunque dici che questa domanda, quella che abbiamo dell'altro video, è comunque obbligatoria per tutti.
ok,
Mm?
quindi li rindirizzo al video che abbiamo filmato prima. Perfetto.
Esatto, che è appunto per l'enrollment, e questa è
Ok,
dedicata solo a chi ha già un titolo di master. Quindi quando sei pronta io tolgo l'audio mio.
ok, pronta. Okay, so hi everyone, I'm Arianna, student of International Studies, and today I will show you how to Scusami, ho sbagliato, non ero pronta. Ricomincio.
Aspetta,
Hello
tanto siamo
everyone.
all'inizio, lei può tagliare tutto quello che... L'importante è non farla tagliare in mezzo perché mi sa che è più
Certo.
complicato. Quindi sei pronta?
Sì, pronta.
Ok.
Hello everyone, my name is Arianna, and today I will show you how to enroll if you've already earned your master degree and you're looking for a credit shortening option. First of all, it's really important that before doing this process, you have to enroll, and we've also showed you the enrollment process in a previous video, so make sure to watch that and log in first. And here we can see for the credit shortening in case you've already obtained your master's degree. Okay. So as you can see here, it says application for abbreviation by title already completed, which is if you already have some credits and you've already obtained a master's degree, you can follow that one. And we can click. And as you see here, we have to go to more actions, click on that, and new application will appear. We have to choose the master's degree that we prefer and we want to enroll in. Okay, as you can see here, we have to click on more actions to add the exams that we have taken and we have done. As you've seen in the previous video, we have to add all our informations as we're doing here in the video. Make sure to add the date of attainment, the academic year in which you've earned your degree. Yeah. Okay, then we can add the program. We're just going to show you here and then the final mark and results of our exam. So we have to put our grade here. And also in the case we've obtained cum laude, we have to add that as well. Yes, let's make sure we add everything, just go through everything that we have to add. As we've done in the previous video, we have to add our exams and the credits that we have received because of those exams. So here we have 9 credits, but make sure to add your own. And then we have to add here in altri allegati, we have to add our own transcript, for example, or some important information that we can add here. And then we can confirm, make sure that we have added everything that was important for the completion of the degree. Okay. So it will show that the status of our application is pending, because it will take some time to make sure that our informations are certified and evaluated.